friends, welcome to my channel. Today we are discussing about coding practice 5 in Java fundamentals. Okay, first question is greatest among two numbers. Let's get into it. Write a program to print the greatest among the two numbers. The first line of input contains a number, the second line of input contains a number. So we are getting it two integer values as a input. Then we have to find which is the greatest among the two. Okay, if 4 and 3 are given, what is the greatest number? Here the 4 is the greatest number, so 4 should be printed as an output. Okay, from up to here we all know how to scan the input, integer input. Okay, integer, and we are taking n1 as a first variable and n2 as a second variable for getting an integer values. Okay, if n1 is greater than n2, then print system.out.println n1, else system.out.println n2. Here we are comparing the both. If n1 is greater than n2, then we have to print n1. If it is not, then we have to print n2. It's very simple. We can also find this in a simple way by using ternary operator. Okay, first we will find this in this manner, equal statement. Okay, we got this. If we try it in ternary operator, we can find like we are taking int result r. We are taking r as a result equal to n1 greater than n2. If it is, this condition is true, we have to print n1, else n2. Now we have to print system.out.println, that is r. Sorry, let's run the code. So we got the result is same, but here we are minimizing the number of lines in the code by using ternary operator. It is also one way of getting the question. Okay, the next question is equal numbers. Okay, write a program to check if the given number is equal. Okay, here we are having 5 and 5 as an input. If both are equal, we have to print as equal. If 10 and 5, both numbers are not same, so we have to print not equal. You already know up to here how to scan the given input. Here the logic is we have taken string variable because the output should be in a word format, so we have to take a string n3 equal to, here we use ternary operator, n3 equal to n1 equal to n2. We are using 2 equals to, that will show us, that will give us the comparison, both the values are same or not. If we have single equal to, then we are assigning the n1 to n2. Understand the difference between this double equal to and single equal to. If there is single equal to, then we are comparing both numbers, that is n1 equal to n2 or not. That is the condition here. If it is equal, then it will print columns left side of the left side part. If it is not equal, the condition is not equal, then it will print the columns right part. Okay, this is colon, actually 2 dots. Okay, now we are printing this n3. Okay, let's run the code. We got equal. 5 and 5 are equal, so we got equal as an output. 10 and 5 are not equal, so we got the not equal symbol. Make sure that we have to check this equal to spelling. Here E is capital, so we have to write here also capital. Here not equal to N and E are capital. If you write small n small e, then also we get an error. Please mind it. Now the next question is positive or negative. These are simple codes. First of all, we have to understand this positive and negative. 0. The logic is here. If the number is greater than 0, then it is said to be positive number. If the number is less than 0, then it is said to be a negative number. If the number is equal to 0, then it is said to be 0. Okay. Here we are taking n1 as an input and we are checking if n1 equal to 0. Then we have to print 0 as an output. Else if n1 is less than 0, we have to print negative, or else it will definitely be a positive, so we are printing positive number. Okay, let's run this code. Got the desired output. Let's get to the next question. Vote eligibility. Here the question is, a person is eligible to vote if his or her age is at least 18 years. Write a program that checks if the person is eligible to vote based on the age. The input will be a number denoting the person's age in years. If the person's age is at least 18, print eligible. In all other cases, print not eligible. Okay. Here the person's age is 15. Then we have to print not eligible. Now we are taking age int age because age is a number, integer value. So we are taking age equal to c dot next int of, and we have to print the output as a string. So we are taking string s. S equal to, if age greater than 18, we have to, if this condition is true, columns left side part will be executed. If this condition is false, columns right side part will be executed. So we are printing this string. Okay, now let's run the code. We got the desired output. Let's get to the next question. To square or rectangle. Given the length and breadth of the box, check if it is a rectangle or a square. Okay. If the four sides are equal, if the length and breadth are equal, then it is said to be a square. If the length and breadth are not equal, it is said to be a rectangle. Okay, this is the logic, and we are getting into the question. Here we are taking integer length and integer breadth because they both are numbers. Okay, you see here 6 and 6 are numbers, so we are taking integer variable, and we have to print that output in string format. So we are taking string s equal to length equal to breadth, whenever the length equal to breadth, then it is said to be square. If this condition is false, columns right side part will be executed. So we are printing this string yes. Got the desired output. Bonus salary. A company decided to give a bonus of 5% to employees if his or her years of service is more than 5 years. Write a program that reads an employee's salary and years of service and decides whether the employee gets the bonus or not. Okay. Here we are getting the salary of the employee and year of experience he has. Here years of experience is 3 years, but in the condition the year of experience should be greater than 5. Where is it? Okay, here is less than 5, then it is said to be no bonus. If 6 is greater than 5, then he is getting 2500 as bonus. Okay. Here bonus is 5% of the employee. We're taking here integer salary as an integer value, and integer y is the years of experience he has. Then if y is greater than or equal to 5, whenever the years of experience is greater than or equal to 5, we are taking double because the output is in dot 0 format. We are taking double. Bonus is equal to salary into 5 by 100, because he is getting 5% income on his 5% bonus on his salary. Okay, so 5% means salary into 5 divided by 100. We can get the bonus. Okay, system.out.println bonus. If it is less than 5, then we have to print that no bonus in the console. So let's print it. What the desired output. Let's get to the next question. We are using simple maths. Bonus value triangle. Okay. Here given 3 angles of a triangle, write a program to check whether the triangle is valid or not. A triangle is valid if the sum of the 3 angles is equal to 180 degrees. Okay, if the sum of 3 angles is 180 degrees, then we have to print it's a triangle, or else it's not a triangle. Here we take an example that 80, 90 and 100. If we add 3 of them, 80 plus 100, 180, 180 plus 90, 270. It is not equal to 180. So it is not a triangle. Here we will take example to 60 plus 60 plus 60 equal to 180. It is equal to 180, so it's a triangle. The logic is same. Okay. Here we are taking 3 input integers values, and we have to take string yes because it's the output is in the string format, that is words format, letters. Okay, string yes equal to s1 plus s2 plus s3. We took 3 angles with the variables s1, s2, s3. So if we add both 3 of them, and that equal to 180, then columns right side part will be executed because it is true. 180 equal to 180. colons right left side part will be executed. If the condition is false, colons right side part will be executed. That it's not a triangle. We are printing the string yes here. Yeah, we have to run the code. We got the desired output. Yes. Let's get into the next question. That is a lucky number. Given two integers, they are considered a lucky pair if any of them is 6 or if their sum of difference is equal to 6. Okay. Here they will give us two numbers, that is two integers. They will consider. If any of the two conditions are followed, then it will be a lucky number. If not, if both the conditions are not followed, then it will be not a lucky number. Okay, let's take an example. Here 6 and 1 are given. First condition is whether in the both numbers 6 number is present or not. If it is present, then we can directly write it is a lucky number. If come to the second example, here 6 is not present. We have another condition, that is the addition of two numbers is equal to 6, then it is said to be also lucky number. Let's add 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, not 6. Then it is not a lucky number. We have to print. Okay, this is the logic. Here we are taking two integer inputs, that is n and m. Now we are finding the sum. Int sum equal to n plus m, and we are taking difference by taking difference here. Okay, here we can also take difference. Difference is equal to n minus m into difference 2 equal to m minus n. Okay, we have to take both difference, because if m is greater and n is smaller, we will get the difference as minus values. So we are taking difference 2 also. Okay, now n equal to, we are taking if conditions here. If n equal to 6 or m equal to 6 or sum equal to 6 or difference equal to 6, difference 2 equal to 6. If any case, if any of these conditions are true, we will print it as lucky number. If all the conditions are false, then only it will goes to the else statement. Okay, here else is given as not a lucky number. We have to run the code. Yes, we got the desired output here. Let's go to the next question. Greatest among three numbers. Write a program which prints the greatest among the given three numbers. Okay. Here we are getting three numbers. That is first line of input contains number. The output should be a single line containing greatest among the three numbers. Here we are getting three integer values 2, 5, 7. Here the greatest number is, we can find that if first number is greater than second number and first number is greater than third number, then the first number will be the greatest. Okay, here we have three numbers 2, 5, 7. Here 7 is the greatest among these two, then we'll print the 7 as an output. Here 3, 5, 2. Here 5 is the greatest number, so we have to print 5. Here we have taken 3 integer values n1, n2 and n3. Here we are taking if else if statements. If n1 is greater than n2 and n1 is greater than n3, we have to print n1. Else if n2 is greater than n1 and n2 is greater than n3, we have to print n2. Else n3 is the greatest value. So we have to run the code. Once we got the desired output, that is the greatest number. So we have completed the coding practice file. Please make sure to subscribe the channel for getting more updates. Thank you.